Abanyishenjero abarikujekyera abantu abaine oburema erizooba babebembirwe Honorable Bumari Mpindi hamwe na Rora Kanusu. Abandi aba bari omu rukiiko oru haba harimu abo abarikuruga omu bitongore bitari bimwe na bimwe bya gavumenti n'ebitari bya gavumenti. Aba bashoborire omuheezi wa sipiika w'ishengyero ry'ihanga aha kyetengo kya gavumenti okuteeka sente ezirikwingana biliyoni 1 na miliyoni 5 omu mbarira y'ihanga y'omwaka gw'ebyesente ogurikwija kwenda kugira ngu esente ezi zibayambe.
Kakati olwaleero tusaba gavumenti etwongerezeeko ku kasente ke tulina okuva mu UNICEF biliyoni 15 ne miliyoni 6 zigende mu basket egenda okuyamba abaana abo. Tageti yaffe mu pilot twagala kutagetinga abaana 3,12,000.
So n'olwekyo tulowooza nti ffe kiba kya buswavu nnyo gavumenti obutakwata ssente n'eziwa abaana nga bano be baana oba be bantu abasinga okuba nga beetaaga obuyambi. Bwe tuba tuziwa ba musicians, bwe tuba tuziwa abaani, lwaki tuziwa abaana bano abeetaaga pampa n'ekkanyula n'eddagala. Nze ndowooza nti kino kintu kiteekwa okuba priority ate si ku mwaka guno kwokka naye buli n'emyaka egijja nti abaana bano tulabe nti nga gavumenti tubalabirira.
Aba bayongera bashoborera ngu ni kikuru nk'ihanga okufaho abantu boona otiireho n'abo abaine oburema.
Children with disability are one of the most vulnerable groups in the population generally in Uganda. They do need the support of the state, of the development partners to be able to realize their full potential and not be really whole their life dependent, but actually with some support from the government.
It is important to know that we are talking about people who have voices, people who have no voice, children with disabilities. Therefore, it is our duty and responsibility as MPs to ensure that we advocate for a program of this nature. Because if we do not do it, who else will do it?
Aba bashoborera enshonga nahabwekyo bashaziremu kukoragana n'omuheezi wa sipiika w'ishengyero ry'ihanga Right Honorable Thomas Tayebwa habw'okuba nawe butosha n'abashagika kandi nayejumbira omuhururu y'okutungulira kari abantu abaine oburema.
Deputy Speaker lwaki tuzze waali kubanga ekintu kino azatambula nakyo era ne twali tulunkinga ku Sheraton program eno era Deputy Speaker twali naye. Era ye abadde amanyi nti sente zino twatandika ozifuna mu financial yeno gye tutambuza kakati yabadde shocked okulaba nti tetuzifunanga.
Abanyishenjero nibajanga obu nibwo bwire Uganda okushushana n'amahanga gandi omu nshonga y'okuteeka amaani hamwe ne sente omu nshonga ezirikukwata aha bantu abaine oburema.
Mu nsi endala bw'ozaala omwana aliko obulemu gwe ng'omuzadde olabirirwa kubanga burden eba nnene ate n'omwana oyo alabirirwa aweebwa ssente ezimulabirira. Naye kakati ffe osanga abaana bano nga babasibidde mu mayumba ne babaleka omwo nga n'abazadde tebalina kyakukola. Abazadde abamu abakyala emirimu baagirekawo bali awo balabirira baana abo.
It is important to note that this is the only major program proposed for assistance to children with severe disabilities. Other countries like Kenya and Rwanda are ahead of us. They implement similar programs because they understand the challenges involved in terms of supporting children with severe disabilities.
Gashakwa Ronald Ngabira no muri Kampala.